Good morning, students. Today you are going to know about how to create your own presentation using MS PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so using your mobile phone, first thing you have to download the software. So go to Play Store and you have to type Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And once it has been installed, you will get this page. Okay, and then you have to click this plus symbol at the top of your page. So you will get lot of templates available. Okay, so this is your first step. First you have to install and then you will get this page. Okay, so first thing you have going to create a new presentation. So there are a lot of templates, children. So first thing you can see blank presentation and then Madison, Atlas. So these are few templates where we can start typing our or creating our presentation. So first thing I am going to choose this any one of the templates. So I am going to choose this frame. Okay, so this is my outlook. Okay, so this empty page, once you started opening, you will get this empty page, and then this is called as a slide. Okay, so this is called a slide. So where you can start typing your content. So today I am going to type about computer and its parts. So first thing you are going to double click. Okay, so first thing, so double click. After that you are going to type your heading. I am going to type computer. Okay, and then if you want to give subtitle, so if there is any subtitle to your main title, you can type your subtitle. If there is no subtitle, means you just click on this and then you can use these editing tools. So the scissor is called as cut, and then this icon is copy, and then this pad symbol represents paste. Cut, copy, paste. Okay, so that you have used in your system. So similarly here these icons are used for editing, cut, copy and paste. So I am going to remove this using cut. Okay, and then if you want to move your content, and if you want to make your content looks more attractive, first thing I am going to change my font size. Okay, for this you have to click here and then you have to go for your font name and font size. So I am going to change the font name as Arial Black, and I am going to change my font size to 80. Okay, and then I am going to change my font color according to the background color. If it is lighter color at the background, and you have to choose your colors to be little darker for your font. Okay, so I am going to give okay, red, it is enough. So now font name, font size and font color has been changed, and I am going to align my content now. So it can be either left alignment. Already we have studied in the last year. There are 4 types of alignment: left, right, center and justify. So for that you can see here left, and then center, and then right side, and then justify. I am going to justify. So left side, left means your content will be moved towards the left side of your margin. Center, content will be moved towards the center, and right side it will be moved towards the right margin of your slide. And then justified means it will be aligned between the left margin and the right margin equally. Okay, so it will be spread, the content will be displayed. And then there are 3 styles here. You can see B stands for bold, and then I stands for italics, and U stands for underline. So these are the 3 styles, font styles you can say here. See here, B means bold, so your content will be looks little darker. Okay, and then italics means you can see the difference here. So I see, wait, so I, before I have clicked italics, it looks normal, and after I have given italics, the letters has been moved towards the right side, slanted towards the right side. and then underline. If you don't want to underline means just you remove it. If you don't need to want italics means just you can go back to your original place. And then if you want to be bold, already it is the Arial black, it is darker only, so your content will be now look like this. Okay, this is the first thing we have to start typing our content, and then we have to give font size, color, and then we have to align the content either by left, right or center justify. And then we have done the three options: bold, italic and underline. So these are the few basic things that we have to notice while creating our presentation for enhancing the content more attractive. Okay, so and then next thing, if you want to move on to next slide, we are going to click this plus symbol icon here. You can see the at the bottom you can see this plus symbol. So 1 minute. So you can see now the plus symbol. Just by clicking that number 2 slide will be created. Okay, and then here you can see double tap to add title. So if you want to add title, now you can list out in the left side. Okay, so now I am going to type as parts of your computer. So I am going to type parts of your computer, that's all. And then in the right side I am going to list out the parts of your computer, few parts. Double click and then start typing. I am going to type first part is monitor, and then just enter, and then keyboard, and then I am going to type, and then I am going to type speakers, and then CPU and mouse. So few parts that I have listed now. So now it's look just okay, it's not that much attractive to the user. Okay, so I am going to change my font size, everything now. So once again I am going to make it as bold, and I am going to change the color, and then I am going to increase just little more. I am going to change my font size. So you have to click font size option, and then font name, if it is okay means you can use, otherwise you have to change the font size also. So I am going to use it as Arial Narrow. This is the name of your font. And then I am moving on to the next right side. Just I am going to make it as little more attractive by just making it as bold, and then I am going to select the font color, because the background color is, and color as it is not suitable. So just I am going to change the font color darker color, because the background is white. Okay, and then font name Arial black, and I have changed. And then another option is bullets and numbering. So for listing out the data, first you have to select, and then we are going to use bullets or numbering. So if you want to go for number means automatically 1 2 3 4 5 numbers will be displayed. Otherwise if you want symbols to be displayed means you have to click bullets. Okay, I am going for numbering. So 5 parts of a computer that I have listed now. And then how to insert an image to a slide. So to insert an image you have to click insert option, and then you have to click pictures, and then whether you're going to insert picture from photos, your gallery, or you're going to take it now. So I'm going to choose photos, and then I am going to select the picture. And then if you want to crop any image, okay, then you have to crop it, and then you have to insert your image. You have to go for crop option. Okay, only that particular part alone if you want to display, so then it can be used. Now if you want to resize your just picture, means just you use these corners for dragging. Okay, so this is your picture and this is the way to insert your picture. So first thing you have to click insert and then go for pictures and then you have to choose your own content. So these are the basic things you have to start with your creating your presentation. So today we have started how to create a basic PowerPoint presentation using in your mobile itself. So next class we can let us see few more options related to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Thank you children.